Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 11T. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay app and tap on this blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Select shop, enter manually or scan your card. Now let's go to gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last one is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, enter it. You'll be redirected to the website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will be available right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.